In the next 2 minutes or so, you'll find out how easy it is to make a chicken and bacon sandwich. Now the chicken that we have here, we're going to slice it in half to reduce its cooking time. If you want to tenderize it slightly, you can, but that's not necessarily needed. When it comes to seasoning, you can go simple with salt and pepper, but just bear in mind, because our sandwich has also bacon in it, which is quite salty, you don't want to go too crazy with the salt. And as a personal preference, I also like adding some Cajun spice. Now we're moving everything into a bowl and we're adding over about 50 milliliters of veg oil. Now set the pan on medium heat, and it's here where we're gonna cook in the bacon, and I'm using streaky bacon because it has quite a bit of fat, and by releasing all that fat, we're gonna be using it to cook in the chicken. When we are adding the chicken, it's time to increase the heat. And also, if there is not enough fat in there, we can go in with about 1 or 2 tablespoons of veg oil. Now the cooking time for the chicken will depend a lot on how thick the chicken is, but in this situation, I'm thinking that 3 to 5 minutes on each side should do the job. Now chicken ready, we're removing it from the heat, but I want to keep the pan on because I want to toast the bread slightly to about 3-4 tablespoons of homemade mayonnaise, but you can use shop-bought if you wish. Add half tablespoon of whole grain mustard. We've got here our bread, mayonnaise on both sides. I'm adding in some rocket, and now we're following up with our chicken and bacon. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this simple recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this.